CANEST TC-500PRO review. Hands-free flush and warm bidet that change your whole routine. When did going to the bathroom become something you dread touching? A neighbor of mine moved into a new home with weak water pressure and spent months dealing with a toilet that needed 2 flushes every single time. Embarrassing during guests, exhausting daily. If your bathroom still feels like it belongs in a different decade, you are definitely not alone. Sound familiar at all? That constant pressure of a weak flush, a cold seat on winter mornings, and paper-heavy routines builds into something surprisingly draining. There is a knot-in-stomach moment when guests visit and you quietly hope the flush cooperates. Simple fixes like plungers and water additives never solve the real problem. But there is a calmer, smarter, and genuinely more hygienic way to handle all of it without renovating anything major. Don't just pick any smart toilet. Make sure it has a pump-assisted 1,000 grams MAP flush so you never suffer the embarrassment of a weak or incomplete flush again. Then, everything changed when I found the CANEST TC-500PRO. The pump-assisted flush does not depend on your home water pressure at all, which means it clears the bowl powerfully and quietly every single time. The lid and seat open automatically when you walk in, a foot sensor lifts the seat without touching anything, and the toilet flushes itself when you leave. The warm water bidet offers adjustable pressure, temperature, and oscillating wash modes, while the warm air dryer handles the finish without paper. A heated seat with auto temperature control takes care of cold mornings without fuss. Here's what surprised me. A facilities manager overseeing a guest property nearly had a plumbing complaint spiral right before a full booking weekend, installed this unit, and the flush problems and hygiene concerns disappeared completely. The self-cleaning nozzle, automatic deodorizer, and soft nightlight round out the experience in ways that feel quietly thoughtful rather than gimmicky. Even people who initially buy this for one reason tend to stay for the whole package. After consistent daily use, the transformation becomes part of your normal routine in the best possible way. No more cold seat surprises, no second flushes, no touching surfaces you would rather avoid. One expert tester noted that the TC-500PRO achieved its full 1,000 grams MAP rating in controlled flush testing without needing a second attempt, which puts it among the strongest performers in its class. A home lifestyle creator described the auto open and close lid as making the bathroom feel like a luxury hotel every single morning, and that framing is pretty accurate. An industry analyst pointed out that CANEST packaged flagship-level features, including tankless hot water, auto sensors, self-cleaning bidet, and a powerful flush, into a genuinely competitive price range that most comparable imported models cannot touch. A verified long-term user also mentioned installing a second unit in their master bathroom after 6 months, which says more than any spec sheet. Now, the fair vulnerability here is that some advanced features may need activation through the manual, and setup does require a nearby electrical outlet. That is worth knowing up front. But once it is running, the system is reliable, consistent, and surprisingly low maintenance. Could a single bathroom upgrade this calm actually change how you start and end every day? If you have been on the fence, that question is worth sitting with. If you want a bathroom that feels calmer, cleaner, and more in control every single day, this is where to start. The CANEST TC-500PRO brings hands-free hygiene, a powerful smart toilet flush, and warm bidet comfort together in one upgrade that genuinely delivers. Results may vary. Plenty of homeowners and property managers already rely on it daily for exactly these reasons. Check the affiliate link in the description and pinned comment to explore it further and experience the difference for yourself today. For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.